Hello guys, welcome to this continuous integration with Jenkins series. In this just we are going to see about how to create an and project with Jenkins and how to do a build of it. Okay, so we'll just create a and job. Okay, I'm just going to make it as a freestyle job. So create my first, just name it first and job. Okay, so we created our first and job. Now you can just specify like the parameters, disk or all bills. For example, how many bills that you want to keep. For example, I want some 1000 bills to keep, and for how many days. For example, I want to keep it for 100 days. Okay, if the build is parameters, then you can enable the checkbox and you can just specify if it have any command argument that you want to pass to the job, then you can pass those things using this build is parameterized. Okay, so here you can just you can access your JDK variables, whatever we specified in the configure system. You can just access those. Now we are just going to create an and job, right? So in the build, you can just go in the drop down, you can just select invoke and. Okay, once we select the invoke and, then by default some version will be selected, which is our version. If you want to select this, you can select this, but by default we have only one, so I didn't select anything, so that just leave it as a default. That's fine. So that's it, we done with our job creation. Just save it. Okay, we have a workspace which is empty, but we should have something, right? And requires a build.xml in its workspace when it is getting triggered. For example, if I'm going to trigger the build now, it will fail. You can just verify that. Okay, you can just go here, you can just specify your console output, then you will see like invoke and marked as failure, unable to find the build script build.xml. So we are not able to find, its system is not able to find the build.xml. So I have a build.xml, hello world build.xml. By default my action will be running in it will be created in a dot folder inside your user profile, inside your user home. You can just go inside the Jenkins and you can just go to the jobs. There you will find the job, there you will find workspace. Inside that, paste your build.xml. We'll just see what is there inside the build.xml. Okay, just open the build.xml with your favorite text editor. Okay, nothing inside it. You have to specify, for example, we'll just align this. Okay, okay, so we have a project tag and we have a target. Okay, so the default target is info, so the default target will be triggered. So we named the project as hello world project, and we named the target as a default info target, and this info target is invoked. Inside that we have an echo statement, so the echo statement will be printed. So now try to run the build again. Okay, so we'll try to run the build again. So we triggered the build. Now we can go this and we can just check our console output. That's it, it succeeded. So it says, so if you can just notice this, you can just monitor this closely. What it is trying to do is, from the command prompt, it is trying to execute and.bat with the build.xml which is there in the workspace. So once it is triggered, it is calling the default target which is info. So once the target is invoked, it is printing the echo message which we provided inside the echo open close statements. Okay, so it's very simple, right? So this is how you have to create your and job with Jenkins. So if it is a big project, then you will write some other targets also along with this. Okay, that's it. I hope it is helpful. So we'll see in the next session about how to create a Maven's job with Jenkins. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next session. Bye bye.